Hey you! Let me show you how to take photos with timers and gestures on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Let's get started. I bet you all know how to take photos. Just tap the camera shutter button and that's it, right? But what if I tell you that you can take photos without using any buttons and without touching your phone at all? Let me show you. Let's just open camera and go in a photo mode. And here just flip your camera so you'll see the front camera. And after this you just need to place your hands above the phone, almost like you're giving a high five, like this. And the timer will be started immediately, but don't forget to take out your hand so you'll be able to make a good photo. And here it is. Quite impressive, isn't it? So that's it. Hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.